So first we should know what is scripting. So scripting means writing small program called script. A small program like a Python language, TCL language, you have heard mostly about these languages.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
That tells computer that we should do that step-by-step process. So we use these languages to tell a computer to do some processes. So this is the scripting, to tell computer do some process. Now this process is done by our Python TCL languages, and in Linux command also you can use this, or command line or terminal you can use this, or any Windows terminal also you can, means any terminal we can use this scripting. So it is very compatible with your terminal. Now second thing is where we use this. So as I said, in terminal. So in terminal what we will deal with is our files, mostly files or any process. For example, in VLSI field there is some processes like running task or everything. So now we know that scripting is used for is a language or programming language which we will use step by step to write a process, and long running tasks we can use this script to make it a short running task, not short running task, but it will save some time. And mostly we use scripting for automation, and it will make our work easier, therefore we use scripting. So this all things we need in a VLSI field or verification field. So yes, our first answer is that we use VLSI field with scripting. Now where is our scripting language used in our VLSI field? So scripting language in VLSI field is used mostly for running a long running task. Like for example, if you are running the test, so you can use this for running the test cases, multiple test cases, single test cases, learning simulations. And as you have seen in my previous videos, I have told you that there is a SB test bench, there is UVM test bench. So their architecture is so vast in real projects. So we use the scripting for writing that files or creating that files with their syntax, because we don't want to write the syntax same syntax multiple times. Okay, so we are using this scripting for generating an environment, which is the most common thing we use here. We can use this for writing make files. Make files are like, you have seen the program block, so there we include all the files, but in make file we can also include that all program our sv file.sv files, and we can run that from there. So we can do regression thing with the help of scripting, create multiple files with the scripting, or we can have our Excel sheet files and convert all the cases into our Excel sheet file. So this is also important. So all the long running tasks are in our VLSI field, because it is taking, for example, if 5 to 6 years taking for creating a chip, 3 years are mostly done with the help of our verification and everything. And this long running task we need a scripting language to automate the things in our Linux terminal. Mostly the Linux terminal you will see, and in that you will write some scripting in Python, TCL or Perl. These three languages are mostly used language in our VLSI industry. So any one of them language is good, you can use it. TCL used with tools like Synopsys or Cadence. Python also you can use. Perl for processing and modifying files. Python for data analysis and automation, but I will say that Python can be used anywhere nowadays. Cellular bash scripting also you can use for managing command line operations, because you will make your own shortcuts for your own terminal. And make file, as I told earlier, for building automation, for running the regression and everything. So I will say that scripting is not the most important thing you can have for VLSI field, but if you put in your resume, it will have an impact, and your resume will shortlist as compared to with the resume which doesn't have any scripting language, because we need some knowledge of scripting. In interview they will not ask any questions about scripting languages like Python or Perl, but in real life scenarios when you will work, the mostly you will deal with scripting languages, because mostly you will run test cases with the script only. So yeah, it is very important thing in VLSI field which we will use in daily basis. So thank you, and you can comment for a new video.
Please Lord give me a sign,